Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can dress up as Thumbelina. We are first of all going to use this hair in this orange color, toggle it to back and turn off the flowers. Then for the front of the hair we're going to use this one because it does look similar to what she has. And then I'm just going to toggle it to bangs only, and I'm just going to move the bangs a little bit more to the front. There we go. And then for the pony, we're just going to use this hair and we're going to put it on top at the back. If it's too big, you can like scale it down here a little bit. So it looks something like that. Yes, that's perfect from the back. Then for the headband, we're just going to use this in this color. And I'm just going to kind of adjust it a little. Actually, it looks already fine. So I think I'm going to just scale it just down a little bit more. And I'm going to bring it forward. Okay. For the outfit, you do need VIP for the corset. But if you don't have it, you can use your imagination, I guess, to make it look like a corset. But this is the best that I could do. For the outfit, we are going to use that same green that we have on the headband. Then we are going to need sleeves, so we're going to get this one. Then for the shoes, I'm going to use this one in that same color. We don't have flat shoes yet, which hopefully Dress to Impress will have soon, so I'm just going to color that. Her skirt is green. You can select from an array of skirts here. This one's not exactly the same, but it does cover kind of most of it. Like this one too. Where is it? Like this one does cover most of it. But if you want to be a little bit more authentic, you can use the witch set. But I think I'm just going to use this one because it does cover up the white skirt. And that is how you can create Thumbelina. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.